Chef by Convex is a vibe coding platform that allows you to create and launch real-time full-stack apps. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So once you sign up, you'll be brought to this screen and you can even view some tips for building with Chef. That's going to open up a useful YouTube video there. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to look to clone Instagram. So I'm going to click this. We've got some, we've got a prompt that's come up here. We've got build an app similar to Instagram with global shared image stream. It has these features. Has a drag and drop box for uploading images to Convex storage. Has a stream tab for viewing the global image stream. Has my photos for viewing and deleting own images, and allows liking images in the stream tab and shows the like count for each image. Okay, cool. So I'm just signing in here and soon we'll get this rolling. Cool, so I'm gonna go ahead with this. As you can see, it's started responding to us here on the left, and we can actually see the code being created and generated on the right as well. We can see it's actually laid out a plan for us. It's built the schema, build image upload, implement the stream, liking functionality, and it's also created Convex functions with CRUD operations. So we can also look at the different kinds of files it's created. As you can see, it's still running, and we can see how many tokens it's used. You can go back to the file it's creating at the moment and see which files it's edited. As you can see, a lot of this is in TypeScript.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Cool, and it's still going. Now it's running TypeScript checks, and if we want, we can actually go to the preview once it's finished, and we'll see a preview of what the code looks like once it's actually been rendered. Okay, cool. Now it's taking us to the preview, and let's see what we got. Cool, so we've got this app called Photo Stream. I'm gonna sign in anonymously for now. And as you can see, there are no photos in the stream yet. However, you can upload photos, and you can also see your photos as well. So yeah, this is a great way to just go from that 0 to 1%, which is what AI and these large language models let us do. You do get some free tokens. As you can see, I've only used 22% of my tokens so far today. So if you think this would be useful for you, definitely check it out. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.